Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Welcome back to another edition of 2 Minute Tuesdays, where we mix low ingredient cocktails in 2 minutes or less. Let's get started. Today we're going to be making the Diamondback cocktail. The Diamondback cocktail. This particular cocktail is extremely spirit forward, but it is delish. I'm going to pour in 3/4 ounce of yellow Chartreuse. 3/4 ounce of yellow Chartreuse. I'm going to throw in another 3/4 ounce. It calls for apple brandy. I am using Calvados. 3/4 ounce of apple brandy. Lastly, 1.5 ounces of rye whiskey. Today we are using Redwood Empire. And that is all the ingredients in the cocktail. We'll get some ice in the glass and we'll give it a stir. That should do it. I have a beautifully clear sphere of ice. Pour that right into it. Will that look amazing? The Diamondback cocktail. Very spirit forward, but boy, I love that. You get some green notes coming out of this yellow Chartreuse, some herbal notes and so forth, a little bit of apple with the rye whiskey. It's a winner. Thanks for watching today. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. That'll do us a whole lot of good. Please drink responsibly. See ya.